when you call out Tegan. No, stop it. Do you want me to do this bit or not? It's your choice. If you keep yelling my name, I'm gonna get distracted. Stop it. Don't ruin it for the rest of us. Let's hear more about me, you guys. Shh. Okay, seriously, stop it. Mommy's mad at you now. Seriously, Mom's pissed, so chill the fuck out. All right. Get to it already. All right, I know. So you say, Tegan! And then in your fantasy, what happens? Like, does Tegan... Like, who's that? Where are you? Hi! Oh, it's nice to see you. Turn them back on. Hi! Is this as good as it, like, in your head that it was? Or do I, like, in your fantasy, do I come out into the audience and hang out with you? I'll tell you what, that's scary, because one time I got in the audience and that's when you realize that I'm actually 5 feet tall. And shit gets really crazy because everybody pushes forward and then you think you were responsible for killing me. Yeah, that's a terrible thing to carry through. I like it when people call out our names, but I agree. I'm not sure where to go with it because I'm very shy, but Sarah, I just want you to know that even when they're calling out